I'm going to pull up the card and you're going to say the letter and the sound. All right, get ready. Eyes. Good job. Good job. Awesome. You're doing it. Good job. Ooh, when I saw motions. Good job. Letter. Good job. Ooh, lots of fountains. Good job. Awesome. Good job. Good job. Awesome. Good job. There you go. Ooh, volcanoes. Good job. Good job. Awesome. You've got it. Now, I wanted to share with you some animals, but I'm not going to say them right. So you need to think and listen. Eyes, and find out what that animal might be. All right, here we go. Horse. Horse, good job. Gorilla. Gorilla, good job. Camel. Camel, good job. Bear. Bear, good job. Mog. Dog, good job. Rat. Cat, good job. Dolphin. Dolphin, good job. Tiger. Tiger, good job. Zion. Lion, good job. Bird. Bird. Oh, that was a good one. Now, I'm going to say two words that have the same beginning sound. Get your beginning sound hand up. All right, here we go. Attentioscopes and listening ears. All right, we're ready. Peach, put. Good job. Wet, wild. Good job. Red, rope. Good job. Sick, side. Good job. Wow, you're doing great. Quiet, quick. Good job. Vest, video. Excellent. Time, tell. Good job. End, ed. Good job. Zero, zip. Z. Excellent. Butt, buzz. Good job. Put your hand on your back and say, wow, I'm doing great. Good job. Now, I'm going to say two separate parts of a word, and you're going to put it together, and then we're going to find out how many syllables. Okay, I'll say them first, and then you can say them. Attentioscopes, bend your ears. All right, we're ready. Sir, cool. You say it. Sir, cool. Let's put it together. Circle. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Next one. Pen, E. You do it. Pen, E. Penny. Good job. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Nick, ul. You do it. Nick, ul. Nickel. Good job. How many syllables? 2. Good job. All right, here we go. Country. You do it. Country. Put together. Country. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Exchange. Your turn. Exchange. Put together. What is it? Exchange. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Melted. You do it. Melted. Put together. Melted. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Pillow. You do it. Pillow. Put it together. Pillow. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Brain. You do it. Brain. Put it together. Brainy. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Neatness. You do it. Neatness. Put together. Neatness. How many syllables? 2. Good job. Now I'm going to say a sentence and the ending sound is going to be the same in every single word. So listen and get your attention scopes ready. The ending sound in every word I say, you're going to say the ending sound when I'm done. Men join in. Good job. Tall Jill fell. Ooh, good job. Brave Bev dove. Good job. Wow, you're doing great. Next sentence. Matt bet Pete at bat. Good job. Next sentence, the ending sound. Jim swam home. Good job. Matt caught Pete first. One more time. Matt caught Pete first. Is the ending sound? Good job. That was hard to listen to and find out, right? Yeah. Now I'm going to say a word and you're going to tell me how many syllables. You might want to get your clappers ready. Okay, here we go. Circle. How many? 2. Good job. Penny. How many? 2. Good job. Country. How many? 2. Good job. Exchange. Ooh, how many? 2. Good job. Melted. 2. Good job. Pillow. 2. Good job. Brainy. 2. Good job. Neatness. 2. Good job. Now, I'm going to say a word and I'm going to change it. So this is painful. I'm going to take, what is this word? Painful. I'm going to take pain away and I'm going to put help. Now what does it say? What is it? Helpful. Very good. Now if this is helpful, I'm going to take the help away and I'm going to put hope. Now it's hopeful. Very good. If this is hopeful, I'm going to take hope away and I'm going to put think. Now what is it? Thankful. Very good. Now if this is thankful, I'm going to take think away and I'm going to put pain. Now it's painful. Very good. Oh, I hope nothing's painful. Now I'm going to change it to chunky. What is the word? Chunky. Now I'm going to take the E away. Now what does it say? Chunk. Very good. Now if this is speedy, what is this word? Speedy. I'm going to take the E away. Now what does it say? Speed. Very good. Now if this is muddy, I'm going to take the E away. Now what does it say? Mud. Very good. If this is funny, what is this word? Funny. I'm going to take the E away. Now it says fun. Very good. Now, if this is crabby, what is this word? Crabby. I'm going to take the E away. Now, what does it say? Crab. Very good. Now, I'm going to change it to the ending sound being est. Now, this is strongest. What's the word? Strongest. But I'm going to take the est away. Now, what does it say? Strong. Very good. This is cheapest. What's the word? Cheapest. I'm going to take the est away, and now it says cheap. Very good. Now, if this is coldest, what does it say? Coldest. I'm going to take the est away. Now it says cold. Very good. Now, if this is brightest, what's the word? Brightest. I'm going to take the est away. Now, what does it say? Bright. Very good. Now, if this is sweetest, what is the word? Sweetest. I'm going to take the east away. Now it says sweet. Very good. You did a great job today. Give yourself a round of applause. Good job.